there was a phase in our lives, my ouers se lewe, dat ons in 'n baie toxic kerk was.
Ja.
No? And I always said it felt like a cult that we were in that period of our lives and time.
Ja.
We were in a certain church with my grandmother. And it felt it was horrible. And that also contributes to the trauma that I have now as a young man.
Ja.
Also trying to, ek wil nie my krop soet kyk toe gaan nie,
Ja.
because nou moet ek gaan met 'n soet in, and I also know that you have to respectfully walk into a church.
Yes.
But I do think like we need to start there.
Ja.
Baie van ons groot mense, a lot of people preach to our parents their opinions. Ons ouers glo daai opinions. En dan dwing ons ouers daai opinies af op ons.
Yes.
Dan die kind is dan so bang om homself te wees because someone else gave them the opinion of what they should believe life should be like. En daar is waar die fout begin.